Hi there and welcome back to this video where I'm going to talk about 3 simple steps to building your business hub and a free website with Wealthy Affiliate in minutes. Yep, that's absolutely right. It's so easy to use the technology at Wealthy Affiliate. You're going to see it takes some minutes to have your free business hub and a website that will be live. So let's get right into it. We'll end up in the member area that looks like this. So the 3 simple step process to building a website with Wealthy Affiliate in seconds, and it's really very quick. The very first step number 1, what you have to do is there's a lot going on, but all you got to do is you come to this part here where it says My Businesses. And once you clicked on My Businesses, this is where you're going to, this is called your Business Hub area. This is where over time, if you decide to build more than one website, it will be listed in this section here. So as you can see, as a starter member, when you sign up to Wealthy Affiliate, you're probably not going to have any other business. So what you simply do is you just click on this plus button. And now here is where you get to choose a profitable niche for your business. Now, your niche is something that you might be passionate about, or maybe it's something that you want to learn more about. But whatever the case is, you can build a business on almost any topic that you want. These are what have been searched by previous Wealthy Affiliate members, and you can choose anything that you want to. Like for instance, one of the things that I'm interested in might be gold coins. So I just put gold coins, and when I put gold coins, then you can search. And as you can see, there's a number of different opportunities, and Wealthy Affiliate even give you the rating for these various niches, right? Most of the time, try to choose something that you love to talk about, because that's what the online business, it gives you the opportunity to have fun while making money online. So let's just say you choose rare and antique coins, and you can go ahead and choose this niche, and it will then give you the next step where you quickly build your website. Now, I'm not going to do it with gold coins, but there is something that I want to give you a bonus tip on. How about something that's maybe if you want to make high commissions online, you can click on high ticket sales, right? So this is something that I enjoy doing. And let's just say you want to go into the niche area of luxury real estate sales. Now let's choose this. And then you say finish and then build my hub. Step 2, right? Once you finish and selected your profitable niche, then it will enter a domain name for your website. Now this, as a free starter member, you get a free domain name, but if you decide to upgrade your plan, then Wealthy Affiliate gives you a premium domain, and that's something that you want to consider going forward. And all you simply do is you just click on my domain name will be luxury real estate sales. And I'm going to show you once you click on my website, it just takes a few seconds for Wealthy Affiliate to build your website in the background. And once your website is built, this website, even though it's raw, it doesn't have any content whatsoever, it's going to be live. So let's just wait for it to quickly install, and then we'll see how the website looks. As you can see there, it's built luxury real estate sales, and then you can upgrade to choose a brand, but in this case here my website says luxury real estate sales.siterubics.com, and I want to show you here. Simply click on that and you will see your website is live at luxury real estate sales.siterubics. Siterubics is of course the site platform that Wealthy Affiliate offers, and my luxury real estate sales. And there you go, it's a live WordPress blog, and it's just waiting for you to create your first piece of content. Okay, so what else I want to show you is the opportunity that is out there for this particular niche that I've chosen. Remember, we went for luxury real estate listings, real estate niche. Now, if you look at here, First of all, there's so many different affiliate programs that you can join going down the road, and look at the commissions that you can be earning, anything from $200 to $500, $150 to $400, and these are the various affiliate companies that you can sign up with. Now, when you're starting off, you're not going to be approved immediately. You have to build content on your website, and then the companies will say, yes, you got traffic to your website, so definitely it's free to join as an affiliate partner. Now, there's more affiliate programs, but these will only be unlocked once you upgrade your membership. But as you can see, there's a number of different companies and opportunity for this particular niche. And it's not just with this niche. Any niche that you choose from, all you simply do is go to businesses, you click on the plus button, and then once you do that, you can only do one hub per free starter account. So if I delete this, then I can do another hub if I want to. Pretty cool, right? So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your first piece of content using the AI technology at Wealthy Affiliate. So in this video, I showed you how easy it is to build a free website with Wealthy Affiliate within minutes. Once you've got your free account, go to the businesses hubs. After that, decide what niche you want to do. As you can see, you can play around and you can choose any niche you want to do. Then let Wealthy Affiliate build your business in the background, and you got your website live and going. I just want to leave you with one important tip, that when you're choosing a niche, you don't have to choose 2 or 3 different niches. Choose one niche and then focus on building it. You don't want to spread yourself thin, and at the end of the day, you find you have to do so much of work. Make your life easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Watch out for my next video where I'm going to show you how to go about creating content quick and easy using Wealthy Affiliates AI tool. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And I've also put a link in the video description if you want to check out Wealthy Affiliate for free. See you and take care.